Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to create a ceramic tile. If you're redesigning your kitchen or bathroom and you want a new look, this is a good way to get some ideas, and you can print them out on a color printer and then just see how they look in your house. Then you can look for something that's available for sale. Plus, you can also see what colors work in your home and which ones don't. Sometimes the lighting plays on the colors as well. So we're going to go into insert shapes. Just going to grab a square. And why not make it perfectly square? So say you want a light yellow. And I'm going to take out the outline. And let's just see here. Say this is for the backsplash. So it's going to have some designs that you want on it. Let's go and look what we have here. We're going to take out the outline. I'm going to look for, I don't know. Can always make the shape as well, custom. For example, let's just see what there is here. See, there's a I don't know how many colors you would want. I'm just using more than two. So outline, we're going to get rid of that. No outline. And let's just say you want to pull it in a little bit more like that. Copy. So you have a whole bunch of them. Let's have it down here as well. Except they're going to be like that. See if I can align them using the align tools. So let's just go, I know this probably should be one more triangle here, but for now, let's just see if we can align these. Align bottom. Okay, and then align, distribute horizontally. Make them a bit smaller. Just say 1.5, 1.5. Here. Copy, paste. It doesn't matter. Just flip it around. We're gonna align horizontally. Line to the bottom. I'm going to copy this one here. Copy. Just put it there. Make it thinner. Maybe put it here. As a matter of fact, we're going to move this one up here. And this one, just put it here. So let's just say that's our tile design. So now, just go shape effects, bevel. Okay, I'll take this one, but I'm going to go into format shape, and I'm going to take out some of this width. I don't want this, that much of it. Let's leave it like that. Now we do these two shapes, shape effects, bevel. Let's say that. Width. Let's see. And I don't want any height really. I don't think I want any height. Let's say that. And then finally, bevel here, because it's a tile. That's how it's going to look. And I'm going to throw in some shadow. So you could put this on you can print it and put it on your wall and see how it looks like. Okay, so that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.